Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to order shoes from Amazon. Now, of course, you need an Amazon account. Be signed up. You can do this from anywhere across the world. I haven't ordered Amazon in an extremely long time, but I have ordered a bunch of stuff before. So if you want to go buy shoes, just like top deals, as you can see here, just do that, right? And let's say we want to buy, I don't know, a boot, a Nordiv 8. That's military tactical work boots, for example, right? Let's choose a color, say this one, so that you could use that outside, of combat, so to speak. By select size. Okay, size chart. Let's say we were at 10.5. There you go. And after that, quantity one, add to cart. Or buy now. Let's just say buy now. If you have a gift receipt for easy returns, just do that, right? So click buy now, and you're gonna be brought to where your address is at. I'm blurred that out so that after that, payment method, items and shipping, right? So payment methods, you're gonna have a few things that you can use. You can use PayPal, you can use credit or debit. You can also have like some vouchers and whatnot, and then items and shipping. It's very straightforward, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.